Today's project, I'm actually going to pack the mill up and take it a couple miles down the road to a different location where I'm going to do some sawmilling on a different site for a different project. It should pack up pretty easy. I have to lift all the legs and lock everything down. Probably going to leave the fenders off since I'm only going right down the road. And so I'm going to put you in the stand. You can see how easy it'll go. Okay, all the legs are up. Less than 5 minutes to do that. Pretty easy. Right now, the mill is in the back position here. You can see I'm locked with just one lock there. Normally the transport's up here. I'm actually going to leave it back here for a second so I can manually just spin this thing around so I can get out of the driveway. Okay, all the legs are up. I lowered the carriage all the way down to the bottom position. I have my carriage locks installed. Like I said earlier, I'm leaving the fenders off. I'm just going right down the road a couple miles. Gas tank strapped down. Everything looks like it's ready to hit the road here. All right, on to the next spot. So this is the green castle. Arborvitae's trimmed in the shape of a castle, and that archway needs a castle door. That's what I'm here for. So the opening is about 12 feet tall, and at the bottom it's about 4 feet wide. So I need to mill up enough lumber to make a medieval looking castle door that's going to fit right into that opening there to go along with the theme that we have here of a castle. Okay, we've arrived at the new location. Going to set up and level the mill real fast, and then the one tree is laying right over there, and then there's some more up on top of this hill. I gotta go get find some sort of loader around here to pop them up onto the mill, and we'll get to cutting. Beautiful day today. Okay, if all four corners down, next thing I gotta do, I gotta level it front to back, then left to right, and then I'll install the center jacks. Things got a little hectic here. I actually had some help, so I didn't have any time to set up the camera. But so far, we have cut some boards and got, you know, they're 1.25 inches right now thickness. Did one turn of the log. I just had to put a fresh blade on. The last blade was getting dull, and then it popped off and self-destructed. This is what we got here. Looks pretty good. Some harder to cut than I thought. It's a white pine, and it's with all the knots, it definitely is tough on the blades.